Hello everybody, and welcome to another edition of A Girl and Her Glock. Today's video will be about a couple of the new ridiculous restrictions on gun ownership that California has passed recently. And these laws have either already gone into effect or will go into effect in the near future. And fortunately, I live in Florida, and Florida is a very gun-friendly state. We don't have any sort of magazine capacity restrictions. We're a shall issue for concealed carry. Basically, as long as you don't have any felonies, you can get a concealed carry permit easily. And we also don't have any sort of assault rifle bans or anything like that. You can buy an AR-15 or even a full auto rifle if you meet the federal requirements for it, and the state of Florida is fine with that. But I don't have enough time to go over all of the new gun restrictions that California has passed, because unfortunately for law-abiding gun owners they've passed a ton of them. But I thought that I would highlight a couple that I found to be especially scary and especially big violations of the constitutional rights of Californians. And the first one is that in 2019, the state of California will require you to purchase ammo either in person or have it sent to a licensed ammo dealer. That means that you cannot buy ammo online and have it shipped directly to your house. It has to be shipped from the seller to a licensed ammunition dealer, and then you pick it up at the dealer's place, much like you would a firearm that's bought online. And once you get to this licensed ammunition dealer, you will have to have a permit to purchase the ammo. You will have to go through a full background check each and every time you buy ammo. And this is the most scary part of it, your name, the amount of ammo, the type, and when you bought it will be entered into a central state database computer so they can track how much ammunition that you have. Yeah, that's scary. That is Big Brother. That is an infringement on the Constitution. And that just scares me to death. I am very scared for law-abiding California gun owners. But the good thing is that the NRA and several other gun organizations are suing the state on constitutional grounds, on the grounds that these laws violate the Second Amendment, which they do. So I'm hoping that they will take it, even if they have to, up to the Supreme Court to get it overturned. Because the only people that these laws are hurting are the law-abiding gun owners of California. Any terrorist or anybody bent on mass murder is not going to care about the laws. They will just find a way to buy all the ammunition they want on the black market. They're not going to go to Walmart and go through all that hassle. They're just going to buy it illegally. And so what all these new laws do is make it harder for good law-abiding Californians to defend themselves against these mass murderers. It won't stop mass attacks at all. It will simply make it harder for, like I said, for those who are good law-abiding citizens to defend themselves and their families. And it's unconstitutional. That's all there is to it. The Second Amendment states that the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. And this is an infringement. And the second one that I wanted to go over is the new laws about magazines. As most gun owners know, California for years has not allowed anybody to purchase a new gun with magazines that accepted more than 10 rounds. But if you owned them before the law went into effect, you were allowed to keep them. Well, that's changed. They are now requiring everybody, and they are talking about confiscating these magazines. They will require you to turn your magazines into the police, have them destroyed, or send them to another state. If you do not comply with this and they find that you have illegal magazines, you will be at least fined several $100s, if not jailed. And again, that is a clear violation of the Constitution. It does not do anything to stop mass shootings, and it just impedes on the rights of law-abiding California gun owners. And another thing related to that is that they are now banning the sales of all rifles with detachable magazines, including those, especially those with a pistol grip. And this includes those that previously had the quote bullet button, which was legal in California since 2000. It made it where the magazine locked in there, but you could unlock it with a tool such as the tip of a bullet, which is where they get the term bullet button. But now under the law, you would have to have a rifle with a magazine that is permanently fixed, meaning that in order to reload it, you have to at least partially disassemble the rifle. And like I said, I really do hope that the NRA and the other gun rights organizations are successful in their legal challenges and help to get these unconstitutional restrictions overturned. Anyway, enough about my rambling. Now I will show you a video of myself shooting a rifle that is completely illegal in California. And this is my M&P 1522, which is an AR-15 style rifle. And I did shoot this at Shooters World in Tampa, Florida. I'm not paid by them, but I love them down there. They're great people. And I thought, and so if you're ever in this area and you need a place to come and shoot, definitely check them out. They are pretty much the Cadillac dealers of guns. But this was shot at a distance of 5.6 and 9.1 meters, which is approximately 6 yards and 10 yards, just to give you an idea of the target distance. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the shooting video.